Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you're well. You're going to have to excuse my croaky voice throughout the video. I'm really not feeling well today. I've just literally thrown some makeup on so I can film this intro and outro. But it has been a while since I've done a home renovation update, and I'm going to explain a bit more about why at the end of the video, because I know some of you will just be keen to see the updates and aren't really that bothered. But for those of you that are a bit more, you know, bothered, I thought I would just pop that at the end for you. So we've been living here for about a month now. We feel really at home. I don't miss the old house at all, and I think we're all getting really settled here. There's still so much to do, as you will see in the coming clips, but there's so much that's been done as well. So I'm really excited to show you where we're up to so far. It's going to look quite a contrast to the last one that you saw, but hopefully you still enjoy it. As I said, there's lots more still to do, so there's going to be lots more renovation videos. And if you have any other ideas for kind of home content that you would like to see, whether it's room tours, styling videos, organisation, anything, please pop it in the comments below and I'll add it to my list to do. But yeah, let's get straight into the video and I hope you enjoy it. And now it looks like this. So there's still work to be done, and I'll probably talk forever about every single room, so I'll try and be as quick as possible. Please excuse the mess in every single room. So this is the colour we decided to go for the inside of our door. I unfortunately can't show you the colour and what we've done on the outside, obviously for like safety reasons and stuff. So there's lots of snagging still to be done. It's all got to be sort of painted around the edge, but I love this colour. It's duck egg blue. I can't remember the brand, but I will have a look and show you. And the letterbox has just been put on, so it just needs a clean and everything. So then we've got a welcome mat, which is from Murnane, only £5, and I think it's really lovely. We've got our floor tiles, which run throughout the porch and the hallway, from walls and floors. We've got a really huge mirror. I'm only going to show you this much for me because I'm ill right now and I look crazy. I'm not camera ready today, guys, I'm not going to lie. So we have the runner now. It's all been painted. The only thing is I ordered these stair gates in white and they came in this colour, and now they really stick out, so I think we're just going to paint them ourselves. And also the top step still needs to be painted. That's a whole other story. So yeah, this is like pretty much done in here now. All we really need is maybe some shelves here with some plants, or a like art print or a few prints or something. Just something needs to go there. But I'm really pleased with the mirror here. Let's go in this room because not much has been done in here. It's still a big project. So this room looks like this. A crazy mess. This is kind of where everything went, and we gradually have been taking things out and putting it away in the house. There's still a lot to do in here just because we've been so busy, but like we've got things in here like this mirror, which is eventually going to go in here, and I've got some massive plans for this room. It's quite dark because the blind's down. I mean, just look at it, it's atrocious. But from the beginning, this is the room that I've known exactly what I want to do with. It looks like nothing right now, but I can't wait to show you sort of the before and afters of it. So I'm just going to back out of this room and pretend this just doesn't exist for a little while. So this is our, I call it our hallway, but it's a bit of a difficult room to name. But anyway, again, this is all pretty much done. I'm really pleased with it. So the floor just runs straight through, as I said. I love this little area, our little console table here with the arch mirror above. That was from the range. I got this on Amazon. I will explain it all in like room tour videos, I guess, if you want to see that. And then this is what the window looks like. A lot of the stuff here is the stuff that I got in my HomeSense haul. Just a random car seat there. And then over here, again, it's quite plain. We haven't really made it too homely, although there's a little pipper there. We do need to add more like personal touches, photos and stuff like that. but as a blank canvas, I'm really pleased with it. It's really getting there now. So we've got our under the stairs cupboard. We've got a little Pippin who loves her bed. It's the coziest thing ever. Marnie's like, why am I not in there? But they get in there together all the time. That's like their bed. And then we've got these two big cupboards here, which are great. This one's on the left is for coats and shoes, and this one here is for craft stuff, games, like board games, and they need a big sort out, but yeah, they're really, really good to have. So let's go into one of my favourite rooms, which is the kitchen. So please excuse again the mess, the washing up and stuff. This is one of my favourite areas, the open shelving, and this is exactly how I imagined it looking. I still need to like change things about a bit, but I just love it so much. So in the end we went for this herringbone tiling. The tiler hated us, it was really, really hard to do. But I really love the jagged edge on it, and then that goes all the way around. And then we have our sort of oven, hob, toaster, you know, radio, got some food in the slow cooker, and then yeah, so it's a grey kitchen. I don't know how well it's shown up on the camera. White worktops, and then we've done sort of, we didn't really stick to a colour theme for our like you know, storage stuff, utensils and things. We've just kind of gone like white, this sort of seafoam green colour, and then just, you know, greys and blues and, you know, all of those kind of colours, and I think it works really well. I do need to change a couple of things out that are cream still, but we'll get around to that in time. Then this end is our fridge and larder cupboard section. Again, ignore that rubbish. So that's really handy. These cupboards I'm going to show you in a different video. I'm going to organise them, but they're so handy. We've got so much storage in this kitchen. It's not the biggest kitchen, but we have plenty of storage. And then this is actually, if you remember previous videos, where our boiler was, so my dad boxed all that in. It looks so much better now. And then we've just got little details like our cups and things. Again, still need to do more. So in here, the thing that still needs to be done is the floor. We were originally going to keep the floor, but you know when everything else is new, you just realise how bad something is. So we still need to do that. That's hopefully going to be done quite soon. We need a kick board for there. And then the only other thing in here that needs doing is the back door, because it's really bad when you look at it up close. And apart from that, it's done, and I absolutely love it. We go through to here. This room hasn't been touched at all. There's toys everywhere. I'm not even going to attempt to apologise or tidy this up because it will just be a mess. So we haven't done anything in here apart from just put our furniture in. We like it in here. It's one of the better rooms, but living in here, the walls are actually very dark. They look nice on camera, I think, but for such a big room, it makes it look smaller. So this is going to be painted eventually, and it just goes straight out onto the garden, which is a whole nother issue. That needs a big sort out, but we're gonna tackle that next year once the weather gets better. So again, it's a bit of a dumping ground at the minute. So yeah, it's a really lovely big space. At the moment, we're still sorting out all of the boys' toys. I know this looks insane, but this is literally almost every single one of their toys that they've ever had. So they all need to be organised, put in their rooms, put away in cupboards and stuff. But at the minute, like that just looks like that. And then our dining table, and then we've still got boxes. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update on this room, so when it is done, you can sort of see the difference. Lots to do in here, but it's livable and it's fine. So it will stay like this for a bit longer, I think, and it will probably be one of the last rooms that we do down here. We want to do the kitchen floor and the other living room first. My little girls, you look so beautiful in your little bed. So there we go, that's where we're up to so far, a month after moving in. Yeah, I just wanted to just quickly say, again, I'm so sorry that it's taken me a while to get this update up. there's not really any excuse other than the fact that moving with 2 kids was so much more stressful and difficult than I anticipated, and trying to film that whole process at the same time as that isn't always even possible. You have your hands full of kids or your hands full of boxes, and it's just hard. I really wanted to film moving day, but I really struggled, and in the end I didn't have enough clips to put together that looked cohesive and made sense. So anyway, I also got really ill. I'm ill again now, and I got really ill when we moved, and my mouth just was full up. Excuse me, my mouth was full of ulcers where I couldn't even talk. There on my lips, in my mouth, on my tongue, in my throat, like everywhere. Sorry, that's probably too much information, but it was horrible, and I just felt, I think, just really run down trying to move with the kids, make sure Archie started school and was happy and settled, like all in the same week. It was his birthday too, and trying to keep regular content going up. It just all got a bit crazy really, and I just thought, you know what, let's just have a few weeks in our house to try and get a bit settled, you know, get things where we need them to be and make sure the boys are happy. I just wanted their rooms to be like pretty much done, and then I can really get back into it, concentrate on it and share all this process with you guys again. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand that. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at my eyebrows thinking, what have you done to your eyebrows? But anyway, I'm rambling on now, so I'm gonna go. I really hope you enjoyed, as I said, this update. There'll be more coming up soon, and I'll be back on track as soon as whatever this is gone. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you're happy that this video is finally up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe for more renovation and home updates and family videos. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye guys.